How long more?
Okay, so we are going to discuss the solution to the work I gave you. So I'm going to share the screen again. Okay. Okay, so now, we're looking at the plane shapes right now. Okay, rectangle is the first one. So what can you tell me about the rectangle, the properties?
I can tell you that all angles are 90 degrees.
Okay. What else can you tell me?
And opposite sides have the same length.
Opposite sides have the same length. Okay. What else?
And they have, and that's all.
Okay, also note that opposite sides are parallel to each other. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay? They are parallel lines. Okay? Now the next one is the square. Okay, so what can you tell me about the square?
Same thing.
But
same thing, but
you can't tell me same
all
thing.
the sides have the same length.
Exactly. So
it's the
don't
same
tell me
thing
same
with
thing.
rectangle, but
Okay.
all the sides have.
Okay, very well.
All the sides have the same length.
Okay, the next one is parallelogram.
Opposite sides have the same length. The top and the top and the side and the side.
Okay, so and then what else again? Bottom. What else again? If you look at the picture there, what else?
They are parallel to each other.
Exactly. So I do not have to write that they are parallel for you to know that they are parallel, because I already indicated the symbol there for parallelism. You see that?
Yeah, that's two lines. That's arrow.
Okay. Now look at rhombus. Rhombus. What can you tell me about rhombus?
All the sides have the same length, like square.
Okay, so
but the diagonals
bisect each other at right angles. That is when the two lines bisect each other, it meets at what? At right angle. Okay. So now you know that rhombus is a special kind of square right now. You see that? Good. Look at the trapezium. Nothing was written there. Yeah. So, but what can you tell me about the trapezium?
Yeah. They're parallel.
Two what?
One pair of lines are parallel.
Two sides are parallel. Just two sides are parallel for trapezium. You see that? Okay, so look at the next one is what? The kite. So what can you tell me about the kite?
Diagonals intersect all right angles.
Not all right angle, at right angles. They intersect at right angles. That is where they intersect. The angle formed is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, so similar to that of a rhombus. Get that? Now look at the next one. What's the next one?
Isosceles triangle.
Now, so for an isosceles triangle, you must always see that the two strokes there, indicating that two sides are of the same length. Okay, and then the base angles will also be the same. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, equilateral triangle, we've talked about that before. I'm sure you know that for equilateral, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So meaning that one angle for the equilateral triangle is going to be exactly 60 degrees. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, so I said you should look at question 1 to 5 in the exercise. So yeah, tell me the first one. A is what? Now, what is A? Where did you do it? Did you write that in your notebook? So read exactly your answer. Tell me your answer to number 1A.
I wrote rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay,
hello,
that's
can you
correct.
hear me?
Yeah, that's correct. The next one.
I wrote rhombus for 1B.
1B, rhombus. Yes, that's correct.
I wrote kite.
For 1C, that's correct.
I wrote isosceles triangle.
For 1D, that's also correct.
I wrote trapezium.
That's also correct for 1E.
And for 1F, I wrote equilateral triangle.
That's accurate. Well done. Number two. It says draw diagrams to show the lines of
Draw a
symmetry.
diagram to show the lines of symmetry of.
Now, first, what is the line of symmetry? I've taught you that
drew
before.
it.
Okay, you drew it. Can you show it to me?
I can, but I think I'll have to.
Do you have the camera to
Remove
snap
this
that and send it to me?
screen.
It's actually vague. I really can't see it clearly. I can't see it clearly. You know what you're going to do? You are going to snap that with the phone and send it to my email. But first, tell me, what is the line of symmetry? Let's see if you recall what I've taught you in the past.
The middle.
You say what?
The middle one.
The line that divides a shape into two equal halves, right? So you make sure that when you're drawing a line of symmetry, it has to divide the shape into two equal halves. It does not mean that you just need to go to any middle you see and then draw a line. First, if you divide it into two equal halves, if you draw a line, that line must divide the shape into two equal halves in such a way that one side will be equal to the other side. Okay? So you are going to, do not forget, you are going to snap that number 2, the whole of number 2, and then send it to me. Okay?
Okay.
Now number 3, let's go to number 3. How many lines of symmetry
How many
are there for a parallelogram? Okay, so a parallelogram, how many lines of symmetry? How many, correct? Did you say 0?
0.
Let me see if you have a parallelogram here. Parallelogram, okay, so yeah, you said 0. Why did you say 0?
It doesn't look like there's any line
that makes sense. That makes sense. You're correct. You're correct. So what about the next one? Number 2. What about the last one of number 2? Number 3 rather. Rhombus. How many lines of symmetry for rhombus?
2. Just like a square.
Okay, so you say 2. It's not like, don't say just like a square. A square does not have 2 lines of symmetry. I'm sure you know that. A square has more than 2 lines of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry because all the sides are equal. But a rhombus will not have 4 lines of symmetry because by the time you try to do it the other way, it will, you know, it will not be folded into 2 equal halves exactly. So 2. Okay, that's correct. Number 4. Let's go to number 4. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. A square is a rhombus. Do you agree?
Yeah.
A square is also a kite. Do you agree?
False. False.
A rectangle is also a kite. Do you agree?
False.
A parallelogram is also a kite.
False.
A rectangle is also a parallelogram.
True.
Yeah, good. Number 5. Write down the order of rotational symmetry of a rhombus. What is the order of rotational symmetry of a rhombus?
Hello?
Yeah, what did you say?
I said I didn't understand this question.
Exactly. So I was making sure that you get to that place, that stage where you ask me that question that you don't really understand. Now, when we're treating order of rotation, I'm sure you must have forgotten. Let me show you something. Can you see this phone I'm with right now? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Good. Look at this phone. What shape exactly is this? It's like a rectangle, right? If I flip it like this,
yeah,
right? Will you be able to tell? Let's assume that it's being covered with the same screen, both front and back. Will you be able to tell that I've rotated it? When you rotate
No.
it and then the orientation does not change, it still looks the same. Do you get it now? So that's one. If I do it this way, does it look like I've changed it also? That's another one. 2, right? You see that? The orientation is still the same.
Yeah.
But if I do it this way, what has happened? The orientation has changed. It will not look like the same thing again. Do you understand now? So the order of rotation for this now is going to be 2. 1 and then 2. You see that now? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Good. So that's what they mean. So you are going to complete B, C, D, and E. It will be part of what you are going to send to me. Is that clear? It will be part of what you are going to send to me. Now, in the absence of that, so you do that till number 10. Number 10. That's what you're submitting to me. You stop at number 10. Is that clear?
When is it due?
This is actually a classwork. I'm giving you 15 minutes to do that and then send it. So the class will end there, and then your assignment now. Your assignment is what I want to give you. On that same document.
That should do from number 5 to number 10.
Yes, from number 5 to number 10. That's the classwork. And then your assignment, make sure you submit at exactly 4 o'clock. Now your assignment is going to be on page 7. Page 7. Are you there? Page 7. 1, 2, 3. Page 7, number 1, 2, 3. That assignment is due tomorrow, 10 o'clock. Our class is 10 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Okay.
All right. So make sure you submit your classwork by 4 o'clock. Have a nice day.
I'll try. Have a nice day.